Excuse me, is this the line for check-in?
Yes, it is.
Thank you. The airport is very busy today.
Yes, there are many people here.
Where are you going today? I'm going to New York. What about you?
I'm going to Miami.
Nice. Is this your first time in Miami?
Yes, it is. I'm very excited.
That's great. Do you have everything for your trip?
I think so.
What do you have in your bag?
I have my passport, phone, charger, clothes, and some snacks.
Good. Snacks are important at the airport.
Yes! What about you?
I have my passport, wallet, headphones, laptop, and a jacket.
That's nice. Do you also have your boarding pass?
Yes, it's on my phone.
Mine too.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, but I get nervous sometimes,
Me too. Airports can be stressful.
especially when the lines are long.
Yes, that's true.
Next, please.
Oh, that's me.
Good morning. Can I see your passport and boarding pass?
Yes, here you go.
Thank you. Do you have any bags to check?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
Okay. Please put your suitcase on the scale.
All right.
Perfect. Your flight leaves at 10:30 a.m.
Thank you.
Your gate is a 12?
Thank you very much.
How did it go?
Everything is okay. My gate is A12.
Great. My gate is A10.
Oh, we are close.
Yes. Do you want to get coffee before the flight?
Sure, that sounds nice.
Let's go.
Okay.